Rusky's Crypto Cave here, and today's video is going to be about Neoxa Masternodes. I finally have the 1 million Neoxa required. I shouldn't say finally, I actually acquired it. Ended up, when Carlson was pumping, I was swapping stuff out and buying Neoxa and some other stuff, and got up to my 1 million coins. But with iNodez, if you've seen one of my previous videos, if you want to withdraw instantly, I believe it's like a 3% fee. So if I would have withdrew to 700,000 Neoxa I had it in there, it would have been like a $21,000 fee in Neoxa, which I was not paying. So what I did, I just had to wait to the end of the month, and I set up the withdrawal for the end of December. And to my surprise, actually, the withdrawal actually hit my wallet this afternoon. I just happened to log in earlier today to check on it and to see if there was any status changes. And the withdrawal was already processed in my wallet, so I got to working on setting up my own Masternode. So some of the things that I used to basically set everything up, I used Node Orbits and a video by CryptoJar, which I'll leave both links to both of those in the description below. But I'll just go a brief overview of what iNodez has earned me. I started it, looked like around September 15th, somewhere around there, and these are all the payments that I have received over the time that I have had it. And see, if you go by the average daily, average about 608 Neoxa a day for a total payout in the 3.5 months basically, that I was utilizing the program, earned 64,509 Neoxa. Last couple payments. See, these last three went right to my wallet address, because I made a setting in, let's see, it's in here under addresses. And there's the withdrawal of the 710,000. You could go in and set up your private addresses, I believe. Yeah, you can set your addresses in here, and you could utilize those as your payouts. So let's go into settings. Was it in there? Well, was it? Withdraws? Not under that. Oh, I think it was down here. Compound stacking. I think I had that turned off. I think is what he did. And so then every time I got a payment, it went to my wallet address. So that's what the last couple of days were. On here, they were going to my wallet address. So instead of stacking and compounding in iNodez, I just had the amount of Neoxa I was earning go right to the wallet address instead of compounding and stacking more. So just because I wanted to make sure I didn't have any like dust left over in my iNodez account, I just wanted to have everything withdrawn, and which actually I may, once the node is set up, I think I have about 18,000 left in there. I might even deposit that back into iNodez just to keep earning more Neoxa on what I have, just to maybe even get to a second Masternode a little bit quicker. So I guess it's going to take quite a few months to earn another million Neoxa, so it's going to take quite a while. But I think there's about 2,400 nodes on the network, and I believe it's about 3 days-ish per payment, I think it's going to be, with this amount of Masternodes on there, because I think it's about 7. What we got? Let's get the calculator up here. Oh, it's over on another screen. So we got 24 hours in a day times 60 minutes. 1440 divided by 2, because it was a 2-minute block time, so you got 720 blocks per day. And say if you have, it's like 2415 divided by 720, but basically 3 1/3 days. So times 24. So basically every 80 hours roughly is what it'll take to receive a payment for the block rewards. So like 3 days and see a third, 8 hours. Yeah, 3 days and 8 hours roughly. to receive payments. So my guess is probably sometime on Wednesday is when I'll receive my first payout, and see how it goes. So I got my node orbits count set up here, and it's extremely easy to set one up here. On Neoxa nodes are $6 per month if you pay for it annually, so it's $72 for a year. Or you could do month to month, and it's $2 more. It's still profitable at the month to month, but might as well just pay for a year and get it running, because it's just going to keep earning. So, that's the option I did. I renewed it for a year, and I did use another YouTuber's link. Actually, I used a hobbyist. I used his link for the referral here. So if anybody's watching my video and you want to set this up, I'd appreciate it if you use my link that's in the description below for node orbits. I do have my Nimbus node hosted on Host Nodes Online right now, and I believe node orbits is cheaper. So once that expires, I think I have 80 some days left on my subscription over at Host Nodes. I'm going to move my Nimbus node over to node orbits as well, just because it is less expensive, and if it's good enough for your friend Andy and everybody else, it's going to be good enough for me, I believe. So, but anyway, that's pretty much the gist of this video. Just got everything set up. It's ridiculously easy, and I thought about doing like a tutorial video, but honestly, I couldn't do one better than what Crypto Jar has done. So I'll leave that. Again, I'll have the link to that video in the description below, so go check him out, and he walks you through step by step. Extremely simple, very easy to do. So if you're looking for Neoxa Masternode, looks like node orbits is the way to go, and the Crypto Jars video is probably the best tutorial that you'll find out there. There's not a whole lot of them out there, but it's a good one, and it's very easy to follow. Very simple. Just make sure like your wallet is synced before you get started. And because sometimes it does take some time to get everything all synced up, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. So I had to wait to sync mine because I didn't open mine for a few weeks, so it had to catch up with like 2-3 weeks of data and synchronize with the blockchain. But once that was done, that was actually the longest part. Everything else was pretty simple and easy. Everything went quick. So, but I'm happy to finally have my my own Masternode up and running. Did take a while to earn, so did a lot of mining, swapping, moving things around. But finally got it. So now it's the time to start earning. Wish I could have gotten a little bit sooner, because they were much more profitable a couple months ago, but they still are very profitable. So I'll do maybe quarterly updates as far as how the node is going. So since I did this at December 31st, I will get everything set up. So until the next one, we'll catch you later.